Student listen. This is chapter number 5, continuity and differentiability. Exercise 5.3 we are going to start in this video. So what we are telling, find dy by dx. Find dy by dx they are asking to find. So first question I am taking, kindly listen. 2x plus 3y equal to sin x. Listen carefully. In the question they ask to find dy by dx na denominator what we have with respect to that variable only we have to differentiate. By dx na we have to differentiate with respect to x variable. That is the meaning. Okay. So that differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Listen carefully. Again I am telling, any scalar means constant multiplying with the variable na it will not become a 0. Suppose addition or subtraction, any constant is there na, this will become 0. So any constant multiplying with the variable x or y na, this constant never become a 0. That you want to realize. Okay, right. Based on that, let's see here. So that 2, let it be as it is. X derivative what pa? Derivative of x 1. Derivative of x what ma? 1. So that derivative of x is equal to 1. First formula plus 3 into y. What is derivative of y pa? Derivative of y with respect to x. Dy by dx. What my dear? Dy by dx. Actually x when I differentiate, derivative of x with respect to x na, that means dx divided by dx. So that it will cancel, which is equal to 1. Same manner, derivative of y na, what you will be getting? Dy divided by dx. That's it. That is I am writing there. Have you understand? Right. So y value like this, and derivative of sine. Derivative of sine what pa? Yes, cos x. Derivative of sine what ma? Cos. Okay, these things I am writing in the sense note. So here you will be getting cos x. What they asked to find actually here? Dy by dx. So dy by dx alone, keep it to one side. Other things you send opposite. So 2 into 1 2 plus 3 into dy divided by dx is equal to cos x. So 3 into dy by dx, which is equal to cos x, plus 2 when you send opposite it will become minus 2. Now I need only dy by dx na. So multiple 3 when you send opposite it will become a divide. So that dy divided by dx is equal to cos x minus 2 divided by 3. That's it. Is that our required answer for a first one? Okay. That is the first one. The same manner let's go for a second one also. Second one let's do. Second what na? What is given? Second 2x plus 3y equal to sin y. And this also I am going to differentiate. So that differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So that 2 into x derivative what pa? X derivative what ma? 1 plus 3 into y derivative what ma? Dy by dx. Y derivative what pa? Dy by dx. Same manner sin derivative what ma? Sin derivative what pa? Derivative of sin cos. Derivative of sin cos. But listen carefully. So derivative of sin x na cos x. Because we are doing with respect to x, so x derivative will become 1. But in the second question, derivative of what they given? Sin y. Sin derivative cos. Angle derivative. Angle is y here. Y derivative what here? Dy by dx. Y derivative what here? Dy by dx. Listen carefully. Once again listen. Sin x derivative cos x. Again x derivative 1. So not an issue in the previous question. Okay, not an issue in the previous question. But second question, sin y is given. Sin derivative cos y derivative dy by dx. I hope you understand in this step. Is it okay? Now dy fully you want to bring one side. So that 2 into 1 2 plus 3 into dy divided by dx, which is equal to cos y into dy divided by dx. That's it. 2 let it be this side, and this number you send opposite. So what I am getting? cos y, already we have cos y into dy by dx, plus 3 dy by dx when you send opposite, minus 3 into dy divided by dx we can say. What is common that you take outside? And we have a 2 here, which is equal to dy by dx. If I take outside, dy by dx, if I take outside, what is the common? Here cos y, that, and here 3, that's it. So that cos y minus 3. So multiple cos y minus 3, when you send opposite, it will be divide. So the 2 divide, cos y minus 3 is equal to dy divided by dx. That's it. This is our required answer for a second one. Is it okay for second one? Right. Next, third one I'm moving. Third one, ax by square is equal to cos y. Same manner only. So two term y term we have like a second question. First question we had only one y term, so easily we have done. Second question we have done, we have taken commonly dy by dx. Same manner in third also we should take. Okay, be careful. Again, differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So that a into x derivative what pa? 1 plus b into y square when you differentiate. Y square when you differentiate, what you will be getting? 2 should be coming down. Power 1 will be reduced. That work you have to do. Okay. So 2 will be coming down. Power 2 minus 1. Y square when you differentiate, 2 into 2 power y power 2 minus 1 into, this is power derivative. What about variable derivative? Dy by dx. Listen, y square derivative 2 into y power 2 minus 1. That is power derivative. Now y also you want to differentiate. Now y when you differentiate, dy divided by dx. Listen carefully. When you apply, you must go step by step. First power, then variable. Like that you have to go. Suppose trigonometry function, first function, then variable. Step by step if you go, then only you will be getting mark. Understand? Right. Same manner here. What about cos derivative? Cos derivative what? Minus sine y into, listen, cos derivative only minus sine y. What about the angle y derivative? Dy by dx. There you must be very careful. Understand? Now, what I am getting? This a is there. Then a into 1 a plus 2 times b y power 2 minus 1 1 11 dy divided by dx minus sign when you bring opposite plus sin y into dy divided by dx which is equal to 0. So that a alone you send opposite because dy by dx let it be one side. Dy by dx let it be one side. Dy by dx when you take commonly outside, I'm getting here 2 times by plus sin y which is equal to a when you send opposite minus a. People you may have a doubt, sir, here this one you send opposite, I mean number you, what is that you have sent opposite, but in third question you are bringing what is that trigonometry function you are bringing opposite sides, sir, why na? Here actually cos which is in positive, so that let it be as it is, I thought, so that I didn't disturb anything. But in this third question what I actually see, this term, right hand side term in negative. Negative if you want to change into positive, na, we have to check that things also. Okay, you have to check, I mean minus to become a positive, you have to bring the left hand side. That is what I have brought like that. Okay, right, fine. Now I need only dy by dx, na, so that remaining you send opposite. Minus a divided by 2 times by plus sin y. That's it. Multiple when you send opposite, divide. So this is the third one. So implicit, actually this is the topic based on implicit function. Implicit function now what? Directly you cannot get dy by dx. Directly you cannot get dy by dx. After simplifying only you will be getting dy by dx. That is called the implicit function. The topic itself they have given. Derivative of implicit function they will be given for a 5.2 exercise. Implicit function directly you will not get dy by dx. After simplifying only you will be getting. That is called the implicit function. Understand? Next we are moving to the fourth one. Sorry. So 4, 5, 6, let's see. Now fourth one, there is a actually problem. Two variable in multiplication. Have you noticed it? Two variable in multiplication. Now what it mean? UV formula you want to use. Have you remember UV derivative formula? Right. That is we have to use. First I am writing the fourth question. X into y plus y square is equal to tan x plus y. Here the formula UV derivative formula UV whole dash is equal to u dash v plus u v dash. This is the formula I'm going to use in this. Okay, listen carefully. So differentiate with respect to x on both sides. First xy, when you differentiate, what you will be getting? X only u. Listen carefully. X is u, y is a v. Okay, x is a u, y is a v. So as with the formula, first u dash. U dash, now what we have to differentiate? X we have to differentiate. What is derivative of x ma? 1 into what we have? V. V means what here? Y. Let it be as it is. Plus next what ma? U. U means what ba? X you write as it is. Next v dash. V dash na y we have to differentiate. When you differentiate y, what you will be getting? Dy divided by dx. Have you understand this step first? This step have you understand? So this is what? U dash v. Here u v dash. This is I have applied. As it understand? That step is very important ma. Okay. Later I'm going to y square. Y square now. Y square derivative what ra? Y square 2y into y derivative what? Dy divided by dx, which is equal to over tan x. What is tan x derivative da? Tan x derivatives secant square x. Tan x derivative what ma? Secant square x plus y derivative dy divided by dx. So what all formula used? Let me mention here. UV formula used and derivative of tan also used. Derivative of tan x is equal to secant square x. Formulas if you are clear na, answers and all very simple. Now all the dy by dx term you have to bring one side. Other thing you send opposite. Okay. So that 1 into y, that y when you send opposite minus y, let it be. And here now x into dy by dx, 2y into dy by dx, and this dy by dx when you bring opposite minus dy by dx, which is equal to, we have a secant square x, 1 into y, the plus y when you set opposite minus y. Is it understand here? Right. Next take dy by dx commonly outside, so that x is remaining, 2y is remaining, minus 1 is remaining. So when you multiply dy by dx, you will be getting this step. Okay. Now all the multiple term when you send opposite, you will be getting the required dy by dx is what? So that secant square x minus y whole divided by x plus 2y minus 1. That's it. This is our required dy by dx for a fourth one. Same manner fifth one. So what is fifth one? You people take homework Daraja. So what is 100 derivative? 0, because 100 means constant, and you want to use here UV formula for this. Can you take homework fifth one? I will do the sixth one now. Okay, sixth one also you want to use UV. Here also UV, double time UV you should use. There is a work here. Be careful. Be careful when you do. Okay. Right. Sixth one. Let me write the question first. X cube plus x square y plus x y square plus y cube, which is equal to 81. Now I'm going to differentiate this on both sides. So that differentiate with respect to x on both sides. What about x cube ma? X cube derivative what ma? 3x power 2. 3 will be coming down, power 1 will be reduced, so that 2. Okay. And this one you want to use what I said, UV formula. Listen, UV formula. Okay. Let me mention the UV. So this one x square is u. This one is a v. Have you remember UV formula? Here I have mentioned. This one we can see UV formula. Okay. So first what? U dash. U dash na x square we have to differentiate. What is that x square derivative? Very good. 2x power 2 minus 1 limit 2x. Now and v. Okay, v means what? Y we have to write as it is. Next, as per the formula, plus. Plus I gave. Next to u. U means what ma? X square. Very good. U means what pa? X square. Into what is that? V dash. V dash now what is here v? Y. Y when you differentiate? Dy divided by dx. So that this is fully uv format. This is fully derivative of x square y. Sir, listen. The which I gave bracket, that is fully derivative of x square y. I used uv format. Have you understand? If you want to mention in pencil. Right. Plus the second one. Second one also, if we want to use what ma? uv. Second one also we have to use a uv. Understand? So that u is what? X. First itself u dash only as per the formula. As per the formula, first u dash. So x derivative what? 1. Next what? V. V means that second term means y square we should write as it is. So 1 into y square plus as per the formula plus. Next u. U means what? X value. Okay. Next v dash. V dash now what is the v here? V is what? Y square. Y square when you differentiate what ma? 2 times y into y when you differentiate dy divided by dx. And this is fully derivative of x y square. I used the uv formula. Kindly listen what I am teaching. Okay. Right. Next, what is derivative of y cube ba? Derivative of y cube. What my dear? Yes, very good. 3y power 2 means power is coming down and 1 will be reduced. So that 3y square into y derivative what ma? Dy divided by dx equal to 81 derivative what pa? 0 because constant. Now your work is what? Where and all you have dy by dx, everything should keep it one side. Other you send opposite. Okay. So that here dy by dx, here dy by dx, here dy by dx. This 3 term let it be in the left hand side itself. Other term you send opposite. So that what is that? X square dy by dx plus and next this one. Okay. What is that? X 2y na you can write 2xy into dy by dx plus next term, third term 3y square dy by dx. Sir, this all dy by dx term I have written together. Left hand side. Okay. This is all dy by dx term I have written together. Now, which is equal to. Without dy by dx, what all we have? That you send opposite. That all you send opposite. Without dy by dx, what all you have? That you send opposite. So, what you will be getting? Minus 3x square minus 2xy and finally this one 1 into y square. So, minus y square. Have you understand? Have you understand? So, this everything I have sent opposite, sir. Without a dy by dx terms and all I have sent opposite. So, I got opposite sign. Okay. Now, take dy by dx outside. Take dy by dx outside. So, that x square plus 2xy plus 3 times y square which is equal to minus if you take outside 3x square plus 2xy plus y square. So, I need dy by dx na. Then remaining you send opposite. That is in multiplication. Multiple term when you send opposite, what you will be getting pa? Which is in divide. Okay. So that this everything I will be writing in a denominator. So that what I am getting? X square plus 2xy plus 3 times y square. And don't try to cancel anything. This is an addition, separately numerator, separately denominator, you cannot cancel. Let it be, that is our final answer for a 6th question. Is it okay, pa? Right. See, kindly listen whatever I am teaching because UV and all I am using in between. Wherever I am mentioning the formula, kindly you people also mention. If you want to mention separate which is UV, like that, if you want to mention, mention in a pencil. Children, mention in a pencil. This is one portion. This is one portion for a UV. Okay. And from here to here, one portion for a one more UV. Mention in pencil if you want. Later you can realize what is that. One portion for one UV, another portion for another UV. But which is in addition only everything. Everything in addition only. Is it okay? And pencil you mention. Now you will understand. After 1 or 2 months, if you when you see for a test, you may have doubt how you got like that. So mention in pencil, you will be getting idea. Right. I'm going to next. That is 7. 7 and 8 together I have taken. 7 and 8. So 7th one, let me take sine square y plus cos xy, which is equal to k. In the last video I told you sine square theta is equal to sine theta whole square, but sine theta square, which is not equal to sine theta whole square, I told you. Have you remember this? In last video yesterday I said. Right. So that is important. What I am telling here, there is sine square y. That means what? Sine y whole square is meaning. That is what I am telling. So that sine y the whole square you can write. And this one cos of xy. Sorry. Cos of xy equal to k. Shall we start to differentiate with respect to x? So that differentiate with respect to x on both sides. When I do, what I am getting? First, this is like a power x square derivative. X square derivative, now what you will be doing? 2 will be coming down like that. So 2 into sine y whole power 2 minus 1. Now only I differentiated the power. Then variable. Variable is what here? Sine y. Sine y fully is a variable. What is then sine derivative? Sine derivative what ma? Cos y. I have to differentiate. Listen carefully. Power derivative, this is. Sine derivative, this is. Now y derivative, dy by dx. You must be very careful. Single term, how many derivative I am doing, just see carefully. First power derivative, then sine derivative, then y derivative. Y derivative you will be getting dy by dx. Careful. What all I am doing? Careful. Okay. Now y derivative what? Dy by dx. This everything for only for sine y whole square. Have you noticed it? So step by step I'm moving. First power, then function, then angle y. Okay, if you go like that, you will not get a mistake. Be careful, Raja. Right. Next plus. What about cos derivative? Cos derivative what? Minus sine. Super. Cos derivative minus sine. Put here minus sine x into y. Okay, sine x into y. This x into y for angle purpose. That is separate. Now only I differentiated cos derivative minus sine. Then what I want to differentiate? Angle I want to differentiate. What I want to differentiate? Angle. Okay. So angle is what? UV format. Angle is what, my dear? UV format. That is a U. This is a V. So that you want to use UV formula. Okay. UV formula. Have you remember? UV formula. UV whole dash is equal to U dash V plus U V dash. Understand? So that listen, x is u, x derivative 1 into v means y you write as it is plus now u means x, let it be as it is, v y derivative dy divided by dx, which is equal to constant k derivative what ma? 0. That's it. This is you want to simplify. I hope you understand this step. If you not understand first step, really the next step and all very tough. Is it okay? Right. Now your work is what? Where and all you have a dy by dx, that you should keep it one side, other you send the opposite. That's it. Before that, take the sine y, you multiple inside. Then only you can bring dy by dx outside, because it is in inside of the bracket. Okay. Now here 2 times sine y whole power 2 minus 1 now 1 limit, don't want to put 1 into cos y into dy divided by dx. While looking itself, this is, you should remember one formula. What? Sine 2y. Very good. Okay, sine 2y you should remember. Sine 2y. So wherever the possibilities of formula is there, you can use, not an issue. Understand? Minus sine of xy when you, what is it? 1 into y, first y let it be. Sine xy when you multiply into sine xy you will be getting. Okay. Plus into minus, this plus into minus, minus x into sine of xy into dy by dx. which is equal to 0. Okay, this bracket if you give or not give, not an issue. Okay, that's not an issue. Now your work is what? Dy by dx, dy by dx term one side, other term you send opposite. And if you want to write the formula, you can write this formula what it is. What it is? Yeah, very good. Sine 2y. Okay, so that sine 2 times y into dy divided by dx. Which one? This one I'm writing sine 2y. Okay. Next, minus x sine xy into dy divided by dx. Without dy by dx term, I'm sending opposite. Minus term and you send opposite became positive, so that y sine xy. Now take dy by dx outside. Dy by dx if you take outside, I'm getting that sine 2y minus x into sine x, which is equal to y into sine xy. I want a dy by dx only, na? Then you send that opposite. Then you send this opposite. So that dy by dx, let it be one side. Multiple value when you send opposite, you will be getting the required. What it is then? Sine 2y minus y into sine x. That's it, Raja. This is you can mention. That's it. This is our required value for a 7th one. I hope you understand. Is it okay? Boy side. Okay, wow. Next question number 8. Question number 8. 8 what is given? Sine square x plus cos square y equal to 1. I told you sine square x na what you can take that? Sine square x na what you can take that? Sine x, very good, whole square you can take, very good. So that sine x whole square plus cos y whole square equal to 1. Now you differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So when you differentiate x on both sides, first term when you differentiate 2 will be coming down. Sin x whole power 2 minus 1 into power I did a derivative. What about sin derivative now? Sir, 2 derivative, power 2 derivative only this thing, sir. Sin derivative what pa? Cos x. Now angle x derivative what pa? 1. Angle x derivative what pa? 1. Okay. Now plus. So this is all for a sin x whole square. Understand? This is all for a sin x whole square. Same manner here. Same manner here. Power 2 when you differentiate 2 will be coming down. Cos y whole power 2 minus 1. Okay. Now what about cos y derivative? Cos y minus sin y. What you will be getting? Minus sin y. And what about y derivative? What about y derivative? Dy divided by dx equal to 1 derivative 0. Listen, once again I am telling, power 2 derivative, this sin derivative cos, x derivative 1. Same manner here, power 2 derivative this fully, cos y derivative sin minus sin, y derivative dy by dx 1 derivative 0. Is it okay? Right. So derivative and all, be careful when I explain. Just like that you will not understand. Kindly listen. Without listen you cannot. Right. So that 2 times sin x whole power 2 minus 1 11 cos x plus 2, sorry, not plus, here minus is there. So plus into minus, minus 2 times cos y into sin y. Cos power 2 minus 1 so that don't want to mention 11 into dy divided by dx is equal to 0. So this is minus term na. Only 1 dy by dx we have. So that minus term you send opposite, it will become positive. So that, have you noticed sin 2x formula? And what about here? Sin 2y you can write. Okay. For both you can use that formula. Sin 2x minus you send opposite, became positive. Sin 2 times y into dy by dx. The formula which I used here, sin 2 theta is equal to 2 times sin theta into cos theta. This formula I used it. Even here in this step also in previous question I have used. Understand? Be careful. Right. Now I need a dy by dx only na. Then remaining you send opposite. So that sin 2x divided by what I am getting? Sin 2 times y equal to dy divided by dx. Don't try to cancel sine because that is different function with a different angle. Here also same, right? Is it okay? What we have done? And people may have doubt, sir, first sine, next cos only, sine 2x. Here first cos, next sine. In product, not an issue. Okay, it is a commutative. 2 into 3 or 3 into 2, answer will be 6. Not an issue. So this is the answer for a 8th one. Who's checking book bag answer? You are checking, very good. Right. Shall we go? Question number 9. Eleven two zero. So Tamase. But we'll go to next. Ba. Shall we go? Ba? Have we done this page? So question number 9. You people know about this. For 9th one onwards, it's starting inverse function. Better inverse function we'll do in the next video. Raja. So till this, what I have done, that is called the implicit function. What is this ma? Implicit function. Next question number 9 onwards, we have a inverse derivative. Okay, va? Inverse trigonometry function derivative we have. Derivative of inverse trigonometric function. That is one more topic. The one more topic we'll see in the next video. Okay. Take care, children. Thank you. Bye.